Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another amazing video. In this video, we're going to give you details about the Shivning OCIS Fellowship Program 2022. The Shivning Fellowship Program aims to promote mid-career academics or professionals who desire to promote academic activities, encouraging the culture and civilization of Islam in Muslim societies. The program will begin in October 2022. The duration of the fellowship program is 6 months and it will be focusing on research projects on culture and civilization of Islam. The candidates will develop contacts with a comprehensive group of scholars. The OCIS provides a platform for Western and Islamic world to meet. This is a fully funded program and the country of the fellowship will be United Kingdom. Eligible regions are Afghanistan, Algeria, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Egypt, Indonesia, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Libya, Malaysia, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Palestine, Philippines, Sudan, Syria, Tunisia, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Turkey. The eligibility criteria of the Shivning Fellowship Program: applicants must have the potential to rise to a position of leadership. Applicants must return to their own country after the completion of the fellowship, must hold a postgraduate degree or equivalent professional training, experience in the relevant research area, must hold an English proficiency certificate. If an applicant has received financial aid from HMB before, they are eligible to apply after 5 years following the completion of the HMG financial support. Such applicants must demonstrate their program after the completion of funding. The benefits of the Shivning Fellowship Program: 6 months of research opportunity at OCIS, living expenses will be provided during the OCIS Fellowship, airfare to and from home country, allowance for research-related activities, and access to program cultural events and activities organized by FCDO and Shivning Secretariat. To apply for this fellowship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to this web page. On this page, you have to scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the Shivning Oxford Center for Islamic Studies Fellowship OCIS and OCIS Abdullah Gul's Fellowship Program. This program is hosted by the Oxford Center for Islamic Studies and applications are open until 2nd November 2021. You can see the course program structure. You can read the full details about the course structure. The benefits of the program, the eligibility criteria. You can see the detailed eligibility criteria on this page. Application requirements. Open for applications until 2nd November 2021. If you are eligible and believe you would be a strong candidate for a place on this program, we encourage you to apply now. Click on Apply. If you have already created an account on the Shivning website, log into your account, or if you are a new user, click on Register here. Read the policies carefully and then click on Accept. First, you have to give details about your contact information, your title, select from the drop-down list, your first name, your email address. You have to confirm your email address, your residential address, your city, state, zip code or postal code, country of residence. Please verify and confirm the details entered by checking the box below. After checking the box, click on Submit. A link to activate your account will be emailed to you. Go to your email and click on the link provided to you in your email. After clicking on the link in the email, you will be redirected to the account activation page. You have to select a new password and then you have to confirm the password and then click on Submit. Then you have to complete your profile and fill the remaining fields. Add in your date of birth, your country or your territory of citizenship. Do you hold a dual citizenship? Your country of birth, city, region or province of birth. And after answering these remaining fields, click on Validate Profile to move to the next step. After validating your profile, you'll be redirected to the My Applications page. Over here you can see that there are 0 applications in progress, 0 submitted review applications, 0 unsuccessful applications, and 0 conditionally selected and reserved awards. Click on Go to Available Open Awards. Select the Chevening Oxford Center of Islamic Studies Fellowship and click on Apply. You have to answer this questionnaire. Are you a citizen of a Chevening eligible country or territory? Select yes or no. Will you return to the country or territory through which you are applying for a Chevening award for a minimum of 2 years after your award ended? Select yes or no. Do you have the minimum work experience as stated below, 5 years? Select yes or no. Are you at least 18 years of age? And will you have completed your undergraduate degree before the date of submitting this application? Do you have a postgraduate level qualification or equivalent professional training or experience in a relevant area at the time of application? After answering this questionnaire, click on Submit. Then you have to answer some pre-screened questions. Do you aspire to be or you already a leader, decision maker or opinion former in your home country? Yes or no. Are you a British citizen? In the past 5 years, have you studied in the UK with funding from a UK government-funded scholarship? Have you been employed in a permanent, temporary or internship role since July 2019 by the UK government, the British Council or the Association of Commonwealth Universities? Select yes or no. Have any of your immediate relatives been employed by the above organizations in July 2019? Select yes or no and then click on Submit Pre-Screen. There are 5 steps which have to be filled before submitting the Chevening application. First is background. You have to fill all the remaining fields in your personal details. Preferred interview location. Please indicate your level of education. Then you have to give your education details. Click on Add Education Details to add your education. Your work experience. Are you currently employed in a full or part-time work or a voluntary or internship role? Select yes or no. Enter your work experience details. Click on Add Work Experience. The next step is essay questions. Leadership and influence. You have to give details in 500 words. Relationship building and shared learning. Details in 500 words. Studying in the UK. Your career plan. And question 1. Please tell us more about your proposed topic of research, its objectives, research methodology, and what you expect the output to be. The third step is application information. Immigration information. Do you hold a valid passport for your country? Do you hold refugee status? Do you hold any other form of legal residency? Have you ever been to the UK? Do you have a valid UK visa or permission to enter or remain in the UK? Have you ever been refused a visa for any country or had your extension of leave to remain to any country refused? Have you been deported, removed or otherwise required to leave any country in the last 10 years? Do you have any criminal convictions in the UK or any other country? Have you ever been arrested, charged with any offense in any country? Are you awaiting or currently on trial? The fourth step is terms and conditions. Upon submission, the information that I am submitting in this application is true and correct. Select yes. I understand that there is no provision for dependents of Chevening Fellows. The Chevening program provides no financial support for dependents and will not endorse the visa application or nor provide travel for dependents. Select yes. During your award, I will actively engage with the Chevening network in the UK. I will respond to surveys sent by Chevening to help evaluate the success of the program and inform ongoing program development. After your award, I understand that any request to remain in the UK will not be granted, including for the purpose of further study or employment. I will actively engage with the Chevening alumni network in my country and globally. I will join Chevening Connect, the alumni portal. I will respond to future surveys sent by Chevening to help evaluate the success of the program and inform ongoing program development. I confirm that if granted a Chevening award, I will abide by the Chevening terms and conditions and social media guidelines. I will remain in the UK during my award. I confirm that I will abide by the fellowship institution's code of conduct, which may include academic conduct and terms and conditions as put forth by the accommodation provider where applicable. Select yes. And the final step is documents. Equal opportunities. Do you consider yourself to have a disability? Select yes or no from the drop-down list. Do you require specific arrangements in order to attend an online or an in-person interview? Please state your gender. And do you consider yourself to be a part of any minority or disadvantaged group in your country? Where did you hear about Shivning? How did you hear about Shivning? How long did you consider applying to Shivning in this application round before beginning this application? What were the major factors that led you to applying to Shivning? Have you ever applied to Shivning in the previous years? Have you considered applying for any other scholarship funding? Your complete education documents and your referee's name and contact numbers. Click on Add Referees to add referee's name and contact numbers. Click on Upload to add your reference letters, your passport, and then answer some feedback questions. User friendliness of the online application system. Select from the drop-down list. Speed and capacity of the online application system. Clarity of the instructions provided by the online system to complete the application. And the overall application system. Final submission statement. Click on Yes to state that you agree to all the terms and conditions provided by Shivning. And then after following all the steps and adding all the necessary required information and attaching all the documents, click on Submit to Shivning to submit your application. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that you liked this video, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.